Hi, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Hannah. I'm so excited to be here for your writing lesson today. For our writing lesson, we're still working on our descriptive essay, but today we're going to focus on using sensory words. We've talked about the word sensory. Do you know that we have 5 senses? Who can name their 5 senses? We talked about sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. So today we're going to use sensory words in our writing. Now, you've been working on your writing, My Wonderful World. You have some things that make your world wonderful, some things that you feel make your world wonderful and beautiful. And so today we're going to use one of your ideas, and you're going to write another page for your book that you're going to publish. So today you're going to use sensory words. Our book is an informational text, and an informational text gives facts and details about a topic. Our descriptive essays are going to explain what makes our world a wonderful place to live in. We can use sensory words to help create clear ideas that our readers can understand. Yesterday, we saw the little writer that wrote about riding her bike in the park and smelling the fresh air. So we did that yesterday. Today, this writer wrote about what? Purple flowers. Do you see it? They wrote about flowers, okay? So when I see this picture, I'm looking at the picture, I can tell that they're purple. Now, I'm using my sight to see the purple, but I don't smell them. Do you smell the purple flowers on your side? Because I can't smell the purple flowers. But as a reader and a writer, we know that we have to describe and use words that our readers will understand. So I know that flowers smell good. That's my background knowledge. If flowers smell good, they have a sweet smell. And so the writer here said, I see the purple flowers. I love their sweet smell. Now, even though I can't smell it, I'm imagining what that sweet smell of the flowers smells like. And I'm using those senses that I have in me as a reader to understand what the writer wanted me to know, that these flowers smell sweet. I can use my senses to describe this piece of candy. Senses can do wondrous things. So I have this Starburst, and I can use my senses to describe my piece of candy. So I can smell it. It smells like sugar. I can look at it. I'm using my eyes to look. It's pink. It's in the shape of a square. I can use my touch. I'm feeling it's hard. Kind of squishy, but really hard to squish down. Can I hear it? My candy doesn't make a sound, but the wrapper makes a crunching sound. What about taste? This candy tastes so sweet and delicious. I can use senses to describe things around me and to describe objects. You're going to do that today. Choose one that you haven't done. You've already done one page, so don't do that one again. Choose a different idea about what makes your world wonderful, and you're going to use your sensory words to describe that thing. So mine, actually, they did flowers. I did flowers. I did beautiful flowers. So my sentence could say, we can use our senses, so I could say, I see the beautiful flowers. They are very colorful. And then I could use this one. I could say, I love their sweet smell, or I could even do a touch. I could say, they feel soft and smooth. So I could use all kinds of different sensories to describe. So I'm not going to let you watch me write today because you watched me write yesterday or the day before. So today I'm challenging you to use your sensory words to describe one wonderful idea that you're going to add to your page today. Okay? So I cannot wait to read your wonderful books. Have a great day. Bye.